What's up, YouTube? Carnage Reigns back again, this time with another unboxing video. And I got some special guests here. I got my best friend Chuck and my best friend Jeremy. And we are here to unbox the September Vapebox. And yeah, we're really excited because we spent the last half an hour dorking around with a button that was not undoing.
Keep your face down.
Get out of here, Cherokee. Anyway, got the trusty bullet knife. Let's get this shit started. And here we are down below with our trusty bullet knife and the package of choosing. I'm pretty excited for this one because this is my birthday vape box. So I'm wondering if they sent me something special, maybe? Online it said it was a value of like over $100 this time instead of like just $90 how it usually is.
Maybe specially engraved something.
That would be cool if something was specially engraved. Come on, get open now. Yeah. And this is package opening school, and I fail. Oh. Here we are, guys.
Oh.
Oh, shit. Alright, what do we got here? We have some Miss Strawberry. A strawberry marshmallow and milk. Oh, strawberry marshmallow cereal and milk.
Sounds pretty good.
We got some Omgurt. Omgurt. What's with the trend lately with everyone just saying Om and everything? Oh, it is by Juicy Oms. Okay, mixed berry yogurt, Bermuda, berries and apple showered in berries and apple showered in champagne. That sounds interesting. Palm kiwi, tart apples and kiwi. Om Run, rainbow fruity sour belts candy. Oh, sick! A Moonshot RTA. And a Caterpillar Track wire spool. Interesting. Alright, well, let's check this shit out. Let's see, we got our safety card as usual. Very, very important, but I've read all this like several times. Oh, cool.
That is cool.
Comes with this dope Vapebox sticker. That's sick. Ooh, I'm not sure what I want to put that on quite yet. Let's see. Here's that Caterpillar Track wire spool from Geek Vape. Let's see if it'll focus in on that.
Wow. They really, like, captured Deadpool in a woman. Like very effectively.
That's cool.
Oh, sorry, you vaping?
I'm filming, yeah.
Vaping, zip thing.
Let's see. Oh, this is an interesting spool this shit comes in. Look at that. It's like, all spinny. It's like, huh.
It's got a wire feed out.
See, it's not wanting to focus in on that. But yeah, it's some interesting wire. I'll be posting a review on this. I'll definitely use this shit up. This will be kind of nice because I'm making coils all the time, and now I got some pre-made wire to just slap in there. Filled with this confetti crap. Jeez.
That stuff's awesome.
Oh, this is the
It's
Bermuda.
a good company.
Yeah, this is a good company. The 13. So this is the champagne stuff. I'm really looking forward to this.
I've tried the other two and they're awesome.
Okay, that's just the bottle color. I was about to say, that's a really weird looking juice, though. Oh, here's the Mrs. Strawberry. Juicy Ohms. Oh, come on, focus. Omgurt. I'm looking forward to this one because that cereal vape I really liked last time. The Ohm Sweet Ohms.
Oh yeah.
Stuff is good. And some more by Saucy. So this is that kiwi apple stuff. I'm hoping this is a little better than the last stuff. The last stuff was good, don't get me wrong, but it wasn't as described. It didn't taste like it. At least it didn't taste like that to me. And taste is subjective, so meh. Just wasn't for me. The Ohm Roan. Juicy. So they're giving me testers of Juicy Ohms, it would appear. And here is the Justice.
Dun 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 dun.
The Moonshot. 22 millimeter RDA. This will fit really nicely on my RX 75. I can't wait to do an unboxing and first impressions of this thing. This thing will be dope.
Yeah.
Dope as
I wanna
fuck.
see it.
Yeah. Well, there you go, guys. There's the good stuff down below. Let's get back up top.
Cheers.
Well, there you guys go. There is this month, September's Vapebox. I'm really stoked about that Moonshot RDA, and I cannot wait to taste some of those flavors. Like, the stuff by 13 and Juicy Ohms, like, both of them are really amazing companies, and everything I've tried so far has been dope as hell. So I'm really looking forward to that. But yeah, I will be posting a first impression of that Moonshot here in a bit. And for now, like if you guys liked the video. Subscribe if you haven't or want to, really. I'm not going to force you to do anything. But yeah, you guys enjoy the rest of your night.
Subscriber die.